Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box, the Technical Trader at techtrader.com. It's Monday, the 25th of September. These are the charts of the day. Well, the markets had a volatile day on Wall Street and then got kind of quiet and coiled at the end of the day. And then right near the end, finished at the strongest part of the day in a session, and the indices finished on the upside. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. But there's a few stocks I want to go over with you. ACIC, which I mentioned this weekend, popped out of that month-long flag today, spiking $1.75 or 24%. It was a standout today at 2.4 million. Looks to me like it gets to 11.5, 12, maybe even 15, 16 or more. Next is CAMT, which looked so good when it was coming out of this that I ended up putting a swing trade and day trade on it, which worked as the stock soared 350 or 6% to over 61 at one point, closing 60.55. But you can see a clear break out of the falling wedge or flag with good technicals, really good technicals. I'm looking for this stock to make a move to 70 and 80. CCJ, the uranium stocks were a standout today. Moved another 4% on 7.2 million shares, finishing near the upper end of the range. And the highest close, going way back to 2011, a 12-year high. Uranium stocks as a group had a very good time of it. And you can see how the stock is running here. Target 45.54. DBRG, which you put out as a swing and then backed off, come right back to the big time, but backed off at the end of the day, finished up just a fraction. I wanted to show it to you though, because it feels like a stock that wants to go higher. 22.5, 23 target on a swing. Dmrc pop isn't quite broken out of the coil yet, but it moved $1.95 or 6% today. Volume was light. It's a thinly traded stock. It's the kind of stock you can see 38 to 45. Up next is Groupon, which I've showed you over the weekend as well, but it's popped today about 5.3%, and it looks to me like it's coming out of the coil. If it does, I'll look at 15, 16 range, maybe as high as 19 to 20. HNRG in the coal sector popped nicely. Took out resistance, jumped from 12.22 to 13.49, finished 46, just 3 cents off the high, up nearly $1 or almost 8%. Has accelerated momentum now, looking for mid-teens like 15, 16, and then 22.3. HPK in the oil sector came out of a base today, and an engulfing bullish day, popped $1.14, almost 7%. Volume was solid, 1.3 million. I'm now looking for 20 and a quarter, and then mid-20s. LFMD may be popping as well. It surged back 7.5%. To me, it looks like it has resistance right here. About the 5505 range. That's your near-term goal. You take that out. Look at 6 3/4. Oceaneering. Nice snap back out of a falling little flag here. I want you to see that. There's your flag. There's your pop. If we take out 26, 26.15, 29 is your target. Tngx, after popping in August and having a falling wedge for about 3 weeks, it's moved up steadily. Today it accelerated about 91 cents, 9%. Volume was 2.1 million, not a heavily traded stock, but you can see its highest level on this one since December 21, year and a half. Looks like this can accelerate and or extend to get to 15 next. UUUU, another uranium stock in that group, did very well. It popped out of this long base today. Now I got a target 11.25. VIRC also following through with another pop, got all the way up to 7.23 before backing off. Finished 6.88 at 49 cents or 7.7%. Highest level we've seen in this one in a long time. You can see now this has gone all the way back to 08, 15-year high for VIRC. You might very well see this in the 910 zone. Wolf. Book a long coil intraday. Let's look at the daily. Nice reversal day. But we need some energy to get out of here. This semiconductor stock has been in the downtrend since it peaked in July. That's work to do, but your next target's at 45, 48, and 50. WSM with a big day today, broke a 2-week, 3-week flag. Popped from 140 to 157. Finished 156.22, up 16 and change, 11%. That's a major breakout. Looks to me like your next target could have to be up here around 175. And finally, WW, snapping back from the test, jumping 64 cents or 6%. My targets are 12, 15, and 18 on this one. Let's look at some of the hot stocks at detectradio.com, and have a great evening, everyone. Good night.